Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Ceramic or radiant stoves hide their heating elements under a smooth glass surface. The hot surface indicator light turns on anytime the glass gets above 150 degrees Fahrenheit. If the light doesn't turn on and you've tried every burner, then you probably have a faulty light. Now, if the hot surface light stays on even once the cooktop has cooled down, then it's actually an issue with a limiter in one of the surface elements. You can see how to troubleshoot this in the video linked below. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the hot surface indicator light. We'll replace a light mounted in the control panel, as well as one mounted under the cooktop. Let's get started. For this repair, you'll need a screwdriver or nut driver and gloves. If you need a new indicator light, then you can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From there, you'll see a parts breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed for your model. Always be safe and disconnect the power at the breaker. Since there might be some sharp edges, it's best to wear cut-resistant gloves. Gently pull the range slightly away from the wall. As soon as there's enough room, go in behind and unplug it from the receptacle. Make sure that there isn't too much tension on the cord. Now, slide the range all the way out so you have plenty of room to work. If the hot surface light is mounted on the control panel, then you'll have to remove the back cover. Some models have a small panel near the top and a larger panel near the bottom. Now remove the screws. The panel will likely be sitting on several hooks. Simply lift up to remove the panel. First, locate the indicator light. Push the light sideways to slide it off the lens. Now disconnect the wires. Take the new light and connect the wires. Now align the light next to the lens and slide it into place. Finally, align the back panel and replace the screws. If the hot surface light is mounted under the glass, then you'll have to lift up the cooktop. First, open the oven door and remove the mounting screws. Now lift up and use a piece of wood or a sturdy object to prop it open. Next, disconnect the wires to the light. In some models, you'll have to pinch the tabs together to release the light. Now insert the new light into the housing. Next, reconnect the wires. Lower the cooktop and replace the mounting screws. Now plug in the cord and push the range back into place. Next, reconnect the power. Now you can test your stove. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.